Let's dive right into exploring the Assistant Pro Community Marketplace. What a fun tool for finding, sharing, and selling WordPress assets. The community is accessed from the Community tab right up here at the top of your Assistant Pro interface. And of course, we have a lot of different ways to sort and sift through all of the content available, whether you want to find a particular type of content or you want to find something built by a particular page builder. In case you haven't used Assistant Pro yet, I want to take a second to explain that assets are packaged into libraries. And if we click on an asset, it will take us to the library that the asset belongs to. In this case, it is a free design package for the Beaver Builder, Page Builder, and Beaver Themer with a color palette and a bunch of page layouts. And this is a really popular direction for content creators to go in on Assistant Pro libraries to create a page builder design package like this. And the page builders that are currently supported are Gutenberg, Beaver Builder, Elementor, Divi, and Visual Composer. And you can put page builder content, color palettes, code snippets, WooCommerce products, theme settings, custom post types. You can put all kinds of stuff into libraries. This library is a collection of photos. You could sell a photo gallery or an SVG graphic collection. So there are a range of possibilities for Assistant Pro libraries. I'm just going to show you real quick what this looks like if I get it and add it to my Assistant Pro Cloud collection. So here it is in my Assistant Pro Cloud Dash. And I can also access it from the Assistant WordPress plugin. These are all the community libraries that I've downloaded, and this is the one that I just downloaded, Instructor. So that's the gist of it. I look forward to seeing you in the Assistant Pro community, and thanks for watching.